Hi friends, welcome. Today we have to find out mean deviation about the median, right? As data are given xi 3, 6, 9, 12 up to and frequency as fi 3, 4, 5, 2 up to, right? So first we will find median, okay? So CF, cumulative frequency, right? So this will be 3. Now 4 will add 7 plus 5 12 plus 2 14 plus 4 18 plus 5 23 plus 4 27 plus 3 30. Summation of Fi is equal to, right? Summation of Fi will be 30, right? We can say n also, right? Now we will find median. Median is equal to, here n is even number, n is equal to 30 is even number, right? So we will use this formula n by 2, n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation over 2, right? So median is equal to this. Now n is 30, so 30 by 2 15th term or 15th observation plus here n is 30, so here 16th observation over 2, right? So median is equal to 15th observation, right? And 16th observation, okay? So 15th observation and 16th observation, here 18, right? So we will take 13, okay? So 15th observation and 16th observation will belong here. So this value will be 13, okay? So 13 plus this also 13, right? Over 2 is equal to 13, right? So median is 13, right? Now we will go next steps to find mean deviation, right? Here mod of xi minus m, median, right? So here 3 minus median 13 is equal to 10, right? Then 6 minus 13 is equal to 7, and then mod of 9 minus 13 is equal to 4, 12 minus 13 is equal to 1, now 13 mod of 13 minus 13 is equal to 0, then mod of 15 minus 13 is equal to 2, then 21 minus 13 is equal to 8, and 22 minus 13 is equal to 9, right? Now Fi into this mod of xi minus m, right? So here we will take Fi 3 into 10 is equal to 30, then 4 into 7 is equal to 28, 5 into 7 is equal to 20, 2 into, sorry, here I have made mistake, here 5 into 4, right? And then 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 4 into 0 equal to 0, then 5 into 2 is equal to 10, then 4 into 8 equal to 32, and 3 into 9 equal to 27, right? Now summation of this, summation of Fi into mod of xi minus mean, right? This sum will be this plus this will be 149, right? Now mean deviation. Now mean deviation or mean deviation, right? About median. Mean deviation about median is equal to 1 over n summation of I is equal to 1 to 8, right? Because here 8 frequencies are given, right? 1 to 8. Fi mod of xi minus mean or n, right? As this is equal to 149, right? N is 30 into 149, right? So this will be 4.97. So mean deviation about median is this. Okay friends, thank you.